is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? I can't believe Christmas is around the corner. Can't believe it. I think it's like 2 weeks until Christmas. Wow. Time flies when you're having fun. So in today's video, yes, it is another BAM horror box unboxing. And if you guys are interested in this box at all, the link will be in the description box down below if you guys want to go and check them out. No pressure at all. It's just there if you want to go and check them out. Let's get on to this unboxing. Open the box. So again, there is nothing there for you guys to see. It's always hidden. Always get the cheat sheet out just because I like to know what everything is. I like to know what everything is when I'm watching these kinds of boxes. I don't know, it kind of like drives me crazy when people are like, oh, I don't know what that is, and they just like sit down. It's like, no, what is it? Where is it from? Like, I want to know. I always tell you guys what everything is and where it's from because I'm kind of anal like that. So this is the November 2020 box. This is the little cheat sheet that they give. I always read this, like I said. Start with the autograph first of all. So the celebrity autograph for this month is actually from Insidious, which I was really excited about. I wasn't too sure what we were gonna get. So this girl's name is Danielle Biscotti. She's one of the ghosts from Insidious Chapter 2, which I know exactly who this ghost is because she scared the shit out of me when she like got off the bed there and was like, ah! Like, what just happened? This is Danielle Biscotti from Insidious 2. You guys probably remember this ghost. That was the celebrity autograph. I really liked that. So far, so good. Next is a collector's pin, which we always get. So the pin that I got is the Alfred Hitchcock one. And then there's another pin that they were giving away, but I actually got Alfred Hitchcock himself. So this is a pretty cool pin. Time is a artist select card. Now this one is Buffalo Bill, like this. Next is a prop / item that they give away every month. Now this one, it was from The Invisible Man. I actually seen this movie. Can't really remember what I thought about it. Look how creepy this is. It's actually like a little kid handprint. Kind of looks like my handprint. I'm actually going to see if my hand actually fits on that because it is pretty small and my hands are pretty small. So, I mean, my hands are really small. Like, almost, you know. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. Okay, the last thing is a artist alley. This is just a little print that they give away. This was from the movie The Cell, which I actually watched because I never seen it, and I knew like The Cell was one of the themes, so I'm like, maybe I'll give it a try. I didn't know Jennifer Lopez played in it, but she did. And this serial killer dude was insane. The killings that he did were so gruesome. I haven't seen The Cell, recommend watching it. It's pretty good. Sure, Monster Dude reminded me of the Green Inferno with all the cannibals on the island there. I'm gonna be able to see it. Like, look at this. Look how creepy this is. It is sick. I'm not gonna lie. That was everything that was in the BAM box for November. You guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.